Welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remy. Today's workout, we are on day number 8, and on day number 8 we are going to do chest, triceps and shoulders. It's a push day, alright? The way we are going to do this workout, 30 seconds on and 15 seconds of rest. Alright guys, so let's get right into our workout. Small circles with the arms in the forward motion. Let's switch in the backward motion. Okay, let's do big circles. All right, now let's go on the wrist. Just circles, wrist circles. Okay, let's go down. Now we start with the modified push-ups, and if you can do the full push-up, no problem. Wait, we'll start with the full push-ups in a short while. So you reach down. So the push-up is all about ankle and shoulder. The push-up is all about elbow and shoulder. So now we go to the full push-up. Full push-up, you make sure the core is tight and you're moving, your body stays in a straight motion. Only the shoulder joint and the elbow joint are flexing. Push hard into the ground, and then if this is too much, just do the modified push-up. Okay, small break. Next one, we're going to do push-up, raise, raise, go down, push up, raise, raise. If you want to make it easy, you can separate the legs more. Beautiful. Next one, we are going to full push up again. Let's go. We push up and then we hold it. We go down slowly. Push up, hold it. Go down slowly. Push up, go down slowly, push up. Beautiful. Now we are going to shoulders exercise. So sit down, take the bottles. We're going to do overhead press, so you maintain an upright back. And now my bottles are 1.5 liter. You can 1 liter is also fine. Okay, so for the shoulders, now we do like this. Arms are straight, so the hands are meeting forward, the thumbs are facing to the ceilings. back straight. So to maintain a good back, straight back, push your chest a bit to the ceiling. Control the movement. All right. Now we're going to stand up. We're going to do triceps kickback. So we bend forward, and then we are extending the elbow and contract the triceps. Beautiful. Now we stand upright. We do overhead triceps extension. Let's go. Beautiful. We're going down again. This is a real push workout. So now we're going to do narrow push-ups. You can do the modified. So my hands are placed right below the shoulders. So palms are shoulder width apart, and make sure the triceps are doing more of the work, core tight. All right, beautiful. Now we go to a bit wider than shoulder width apart, modified push-up, plank position. Let's go. Push up, explode up. The descent should happen slowly. Beautiful. Let's go up. We're going to work the shoulders. So this arm does lateral raise, this one front raise, all right? Let's go. Arms are straight. So let's do 15 seconds on one side, and then we switch to the other side. Okay, switch. Beautiful. We're going again to tricep kickback. So bend forward and then extend the elbow joint. Beautiful. 2 more exercises. So let's go down, modified push-ups. Let's go. The descent happens in a count of 3. Then you explode up. 1, 2, 3. 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 Up. Beautiful. Final round. Let's do flies. Lie down. Take the bottles. Let's go. Beautiful, guys. That's how you can get a very nice body toning. So these workouts are very beneficial for people who want to tighten the body, people want to lose weight. So for those people, this workout is the right exercise. Also for people who are looking to maintain a lean body, these workouts will also help them strengthen the body and also help them reduce the stress hormone. So they can help us start a very nice day in the morning. As always, Coach Remy here, sharing fun and challenging workouts you can do at home or anywhere else that fits. See you on day number 9.